Now in question number 5, ratio of sides of triangle, it is given as 12 is to 17 is to 25, and perimeter is also given as total as 40 centimeter. Okay. So ratio is given. So let common multiple of ratio. Let common multiple of ratio equals to x. When you multiply ratio by common multiple, you will get the actual length. Implies that length of sides are length of sides of triangle are 12x, 17x, 25x. So we use this part. Now we will use this part. Perimeter is given. Perimeter P equals to 540 centimeter, and perimeter means sum of all sides. So first one is 12x, next one is 17x, and third one is 25x. This equals to 540. Okay. Now 12x plus 17x plus 25x, it will be 554x equals to 540. So x equals to 540 upon 54. It will be 10. Implies that sides now take ABC. Okay. A equal to suppose कर लिया, that is 12x. 12x. So 12 into 10, it will be 120 centimeter. Next one is B. B equal to 17x. Take it as 17 into 10, that is 170 centimeter. And next one C equals to 25x. 25x, it will be 25 multiplied by 10, it will be 250 centimeter. Clear? Now find S. S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, and A plus B plus C is perimeter. Perimeter is already given, so you can write it here, P upon 2, and it is 540 upon 2, 270 centimeter. Clear? So you got the value of S. Now S minus A. S minus A will be, value of S is 270. 270 minus, and value of A is 120. 120. It will be 150 centimeter. S minus B 270, and value of B is 170. It will be 120 centimeter. No, it is 100, and it will be 100. And third one is S minus C equals to 270 minus 250. It will be 20 centimeter. Using Heron's formula, area of triangle equals to square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now put the values. So S is 270, 270 into S minus A. S minus A is 150 into S minus B is 100, and S minus C is 20. Okay. Now, 100 square root of 100 is 10. Here 1 0 is here, 1 0 is here. So 10 into 10, 100. So from 2 0 we can take 10 outside. Now number left is 27. 27 can be written as 3 into 9. And 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 100 already outside taken. And 20 can be taken as 5 into 4. Okay. So 100. 3 is in pair here. So take it outside. Square root of 9 is 3. 5 is already in pair. So take it as 5. And square root of 4 is 2. So 3 3 are 9. 9 5 are 45. 45 2 are 90. 90 into 100. 9,000 centimeter square. So this is the area of the triangle required.